Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create dashboard in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to Analytics tabs. So here we can click on the Analytics, and if you don't already have it, you can access to it from here. You can type Analytics, or you can customize your navigation bar to include the Analytics. You can click on Add More Items, All, and then you can search for Analytics, and you can click on the plus sign. So from here, we will need just to create. So now we need to create a new dashboard. So I'm just going to call it my dashboard, and then you can give it a description, and you can also select a folder if you would like. So I'm just going for all folders, and I can add it in activities here. So I'm just going to click on create, and now you can start building your dashboard. So basically, I'm just going to add widgets, and from there, you can choose what you want to add. So I want to add a chart, and basically, you need to choose your reports. So I'm just going for all reports, and I'm just going to choose this report, and it will create a chart from this report. And you can choose uh, the type of chart that you would like. So for example, it can be this chart or numbers or whatever goes, etc. You can make it dynamic or standard, and you click on add. And basically you can resize the widget, you can delete it, and you can edit the widget. And of course you can do the same for all the widgets. So I can let's just to add some text, hello, and you can add it anywhere you want. So let's just make it small as this, and you can delete it again, and you can choose the font size, and you can do whatever you like. So basically at the end you will need just to click on save, and that's it. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.